I think experience matters more than ever before with regard to a mortgage. It's more complex than ever. There's a lot of misinformation out there that you need to be wary of, but you really want somebody that's going to give you trusted, honest advice specifically to meet your needs. And the YourLoanPro team is the team that's going to do that for you. You know, everybody asks, why not just go online? Everything's immediate, everything's digital nowadays. But I think that to think that getting a mortgage should be push button get mortgage is irresponsible. We need to find something that fits you specifically. How can a lender ever get to know you or know what your needs are if they don't actually talk to you? So every day my team helps homebuyers find the right choices for their financial situation. So we start out by asking the customer if they have any questions or concerns. We go over all of those. From there, we want to get to know the customer. We want to talk to them about what their goals are, what are their needs, what are their top priorities. After that, we're going to sit down and we're going to review options. We're going to look at all the numbers. We're going to talk about the differences, the pros and the cons, and really kind of dial that in specifically to their needs. For us, our goal is to just be the client's friend in mortgage. We want to make sure that we're there to answer any of their questions, and even if we're not the right choice for them as an end solution, we still let them know that we're there to answer their questions, advise them, and help them along the way.